Hi everybody, this is Chris from Kaminski Can Repair. As you can see, we have purple tape on the top here, and we have the yellow tape here. Most of the people don't really know the difference, most of them don't. However, the purple tape is made for delicate surfaces, so we had just previously painted those walls, and now we're going to spray the ceiling. So we paint mask the walls off so we don't get those spray mist from the ceiling on our walls. The problem is, if you don't use the purple tape, and use just the blue, or even worse, the yellow tape, you might run into problems after you spray your ceiling, everything, and you take off the tape. It might peel off the fresh shirt that just recently putting on the new paint on the walls, and it will take that off. So you want to make sure, if you have delicate surfaces where they're fragile and you might have it too sticky, the yellow tape is very sticky, and the purple tape isn't. So you better use the purple tape. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's worth it, because you don't want to ruin your work after you take off the paint.